So here I've got my collection. I just remembered I had these, and so I'm gonna use that little melting furnace to melt some of these down and cast them with some of this clay. I'm gonna do some clay casting and some videos in a little bit. But yeah, I just wanted to show off my little collection. This one is copper, pure copper. I like this size because I could just drop them in, and they're small enough to fit in there. This is 1 ounce of copper. Almost the same size here is 1 ounce of brass. You can see it's almost the same height. You can almost stack on top of each other. Almost the same dimensions as copper with brass. Here, tin, kind of the same thing almost. Some slight variances, but kind of uniformly same size. These little ingot things. And then aluminum, which is what I started messing around with. If you can see, this thing is 1 ounce of aluminum, and that's 1 ounce of tin. I mean, there's a lot of aluminum, and it's so lightweight. You need a whole lot of it just to weigh the same as these other metals, as copper, or brass, or tin. And almost just as big as this titanium one. You can see it's almost as big. The color, it's a little bit thinner. The titanium is thinner. It's a lot duller than the aluminum, the brushed aluminum here. But it's real light, just as much. And holding these, I think the aluminum might bend a bit easier than the titanium, because this has no give at all. And this one, I think if I stood on it, maybe I could make it bend. But yeah, some of the metals I'm gonna start playing around with. I've got some bigger ones like this 10 ounce Troy copper, which way bigger than both the aluminum. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll be making more videos.